This is Mary Lou at 1 month. We've been trying to get her to fall asleep for about an hour and a half now. She looks like she might actually do it now. I think she's exhausted. Her eyes are starting to roll. But she keeps waking up. Doing the stretch. There you go. She doesn't really want it. Oh, no, she does. No, she doesn't.